Hello learners! Welcome to the free course of MS PowerPoint. So without any further ado, let's begin. Hello everyone! Today we will learn a new trick in MS PowerPoint. Wonder how this title looking attractive with small use of image in it. I have already created a new empty slide for demonstration. Very first thing, we need to add a text using word art from insert feature. Various options are here to choose from. Let's go with the first one. Now, heading should look appealing, so let's select the font style from here. Now, let's type our heading. Size seems small, so we will increase its size accordingly from font size section. It looks cool, but heading is not in center aligned, which we can do from align option here. Now, comes the cool part to add image in it. We will select our text box. We'll go to Shape Format. Now we'll select Picture option from Text Fill section. It gives us options from where we want to add our picture. I will select Stock Image for now. As you can see, we get a small search box window. Let's type Galaxy and search for some suitable image. Once you select the image and click on Insert, our header is ready. Let's see how it looks. We'll click F5 to enter presentation mode. That's how we will learn more about PowerPoint from here onwards. Let's make a presentation on Galaxy. Stay tuned and keep on learning. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.